Hop into the 2023 Hyundai Kona. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system, power driver seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. Don't miss the chance to drive a fresh sense of fun into your daily commute. Get into this agile and connected Kona. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.